Hello everyone. I was approached by the scrapbooking store and asked if I would play with their kits for a couple of months, for about three months. And I said yes, because I was super excited. And so for the next 3 months, I'll have unboxings and projects and everything with their products. If you've never heard of the scrapbookingstore.com, they have this lovely kit club, and the reason I was so attracted and was definitely interested in saying yes to them is because the idea behind their kit club is that you can afford it. So it's like a budget kit club. It's not necessarily the latest, the greatest, the most trendiest things out there. It's just solid, pretty supplies that all go together. So you can add, and I think it would be great. I think it would be great if you're a beginning scrapbooker and you're not really into wanting to know what the latest and the greatest is, but you want to be able to kind of build your stash or just get some nice products for a decent price. If you're someone who is big on really high Hobby Lobby coupons, Michael's coupons, Joann's coupons, all that kind of stuff, and you like the idea of getting coordinated supplies every month, but you're not really worried about whether it's the newest or the latest or the greatest, then this kit is for you. I will leave the link below that I'll have a link to, it'll be an affiliate link, which means if you go to that website and you buy something, it helps to support my channel, but you are under no obligation to do so. And I'll leave a link below to the kits. Now, it is October. The November kits haven't been revealed yet, and they're not on the website. So I don't know what of this is an add-on and what of it is part of the just initial kit. So you will have to head to the store to check that out. The kits are generally based around a collection pack. So this month's collection pack is Celebrate Autumn from Echo Park. And again, this kit is, I think it's from last year, but it's so gorgeous. Look at that. Perfect for November scrapbooking. And again, if you are new to scrapbooking, then it does not matter. You probably do not have this in your stash. And even me, who's been scrapbooking 21 years, I don't have this collection at all. So I was super excited to get it and to get to really look at it. And just for my experienced scrapbookers, and you know who you are. If you're like me, then when all the new releases come out, you have to pick and choose. Can't afford them all. You got to kind of pick and choose which ones you like. So having a store like this that will pull in some of these older collections again, and they were ones that you really liked, but you just didn't have the money to afford them. This is another great option. So this is Celebrate Autumn. It was designed by Lori Whitlock. And I think it is still kind of trendy. In fact, I know it is, because we have these beautiful fall colors and that pop of teal. I am loving the pops of teal in the fall collections that have come out this year. And this one has that beautiful pop of teal in it. Okay, so this is the first paper. This is the front, and then this is the back. Just a beautiful, simple plaid for fall photos. This one is acorns and leaves. And then the back is just another really pretty plaid. Echo Park is really, really great with designing their papers so that you have like one side they're really good at their A and B sides. Let's just put it that way. This one has all of these beautiful words on it. And then the back is just a nice simple burlap for a background. I want to fussy cut these pumpkins, just saying. It's probably happening. Love the fussy cut pumpkin. Love the idea of fussy cutting all of these beautiful pumpkins. And then you have these little stumps with the mushrooms. I love a good mushroom, guys. And then the back is just a simple stripe. So I say bring on the fussy cutting the pumpkins. This is another one that would make a fabulous fussy cut paper. And there are so many kind of plaids in this collection that the other side of this one is a plaid, and I feel like you could totally fussy cut. Lots of fussy cutting options in this collection. And you know me, love a good fussy cutting. And the mushrooms, again, really pretty. This one has these pretty leaves on one side and then beautiful, beautiful background paper on the other. This would be a really pretty, just beautiful background for a layout. This one has the burlap with the little leaves on one side, super cute apples on the other. This would be good for a school layout if you still have some of those that you need to do for sure. This one has a very pretty floral on one side, and then the back side. You know, I'm a B-side girl. I can't help it. I love this. This is stunning. And there's that pop of teal. Remember I was telling you about that I really, really like this collection because it has that teal, which is trendy this year too. So beautiful owls sitting on mushrooms. Enough said. And the other side, I love this pattern. I just think it's so cute. I love the colors. I like the creamy background. Really, really pretty. This side is your cut apart sheets. So one side has cut aparts if you want to create a pocket page for fall, anything like that. A couple of cards. You can make some definitely beautiful fall cards. Or the other side is just like a background paper with this tone-on-tone leaf design. Second, super cute cut apart sheet. That hedgehog is adorable. And then the other side, this is a fussy cutting floral. Just throwing that out there, just so you know. This is a fussy cutting floral because there's lots of room between all of the elements, and you could very easily get some of those beautiful florals. One more cut apart sheet. I love these little animals. They're adorable. And again, you could put some journaling here and use this one as a journaling block. This could get fussy cut, and the background is this really nice pattern that would be great for backgrounds too. Okay, so then you get the stickers. Beautiful stickers, borders, the little hedgehog. Are there mushrooms? I'm looking for mushrooms. Mushrooms! Just one though. So we would definitely need to fussy cut some of the other ones from the paper. So really fun sticker sheet and this. And then we have the embellishments. So, and again, I don't know which of these embellishments are a add-on and which of these are part of the main kit. So they might all be part of the main kit. I'm not 100% sure what the scrapbooking store sent me. So again, this video will go up November 1st and all the links will be down below. You can find everything. So, like I said before, these embellishments are not going to be the newest, the latest, the greatest, but they're going to coordinate with what we have here, right? So we have these adorable butterflies from Julie's Boutique. Lots of different colors. This orangey color definitely goes with the kit. This creamy color. And if you pair these butterflies with some of these plaids, you could quite easily have a layout that's not fall themed at all. And these I adore. So these are Studio 112, and they're from Kane Company. And look at them. How adorable are these? I love these monochromatics because when you put them against some of these deeper, richer plaids, they're going to just pop and be stunning. You also get acrylic stamps. You can also get acrylic stamps from American Crafts, One Canoe 2. These are the Twilight stamps. They are layering stamps. Now, they are acrylic stamps, which I kind of shy away from because they're ever so slightly harder to use. But the images are beautiful. And so my plan is to definitely give them some practice and figure out if I have any good tips or tricks I can share with you to get some good, crisp, clean images because these are quite beautiful. The last thing here are these die cut feathers. So they're from Studio Calico, and I have a plan for these die cut feathers. I want to, they're all these beautiful fall colors, but I am going to try to make a card with these flowers and make the card like a big flower. Or make a card with these feathers, and I'm going to try to make a big flower. Does that make sense at all? I will shoot the tutorial, but I think it's going to work. Anyway, so that is this month's kit from the scrapbooking store, and I will be creating with this kit all month long. In fact, I was actually thinking that this would be my killer kit for November. In fact, I think it's going to be. I think I've just made that decision absolutely. I also have some of my kit from last month that I have not used enough of. My boy kit that I started and created in October, I still have more layouts I want to do with that one. So I'm going to finish that kit off, and then I think I'm going to kill this one too. The other thing I'm noticing right away is that I'm going to have to pull thickers out of my stash, which is totally fine. Totally fine. I'm going to have to pull some thickers out of my stash because I have tons of embellishments. I've got the stamping, I've got the papers, but some lettering options. I think I need some lettering options for this kit. So, all right, that is my plan. That is my plan for my killer kit for November, and it is also something you're going to be seeing through the next 3 months are these beautiful kits from the scrapbooking store. So, take care, and I will see you all again very soon.